Good morning, Daryl at the automatic trade desk. I've been on a little bit of vacation, but I wanted to show you my NQ trade for today. So yes, for those that want to know, I had a great month off, went to a wedding. Everyone behaved very well. The family got along, and so it's amazing. I would recommend that for every family if they could. Back to the NQ trade for today. I traded 3 contracts on the NQ, mini future of the NASDAQ index. This is the daily candlestick right here. It is 6/6/26, 9:18 and change Pacific time. You can also see the clocks here. I've got 2 computers going down here. I'm looking at my trade in another computer, okay? So I have my own trading rack, which makes it much easier to trade without any interruptions on the computer, just to have it hooked up all the time in its own rack, and I can observe it from any other computer I have in the house. So that's the way I do my trading, okay? I'm your typical futures trader that, however, I trade automatically, which is not typical. I'm also a quant, which is not typical, okay? So I write my own strategies and create my own strategies, okay? Here is one today. What is the result? Look, 3 contracts on the NQ, better than 600 ticks per contract. When was the last time you got 600 ticks per contract, my friends? Okay, so this is why this trading is so exciting, all right? Once again, daily candlestick will say goodbye to that. You can see where we're hovering around some trend line action right now, okay? By the way, we traded a 605 tick bar last night. So our candlesticks are 605 ticks. Here you can see down here, 605 ticks approximately, okay? Can't get it exactly, but stops the bar as soon as it can, depending on how the orders come in. So you can see a little bit of ruffling here. They're not all the same, okay? But I'm trading a 605 tick candlestick today. And why is that? Why did I know how to do that? Because of my data set, okay? And on my data set, I have a color mask which exposes high probability trades. All of this is stuff you've probably never heard of. It's all original. I created it all, and thank God that I did, okay? We're getting results like this, okay? So amazing automatic trading is all I can say. Let's go back in time now and say goodbye to this daily candlestick. All right, so I'm going back in time, and let's take a look at the trades we took. We took 10 trades. Here's some of the trades, okay? They're not big, long trades, okay? This is a different kind of strategy today than my usual, okay? 10 trades, okay? We can see them all in this view right here. Isn't that nice? On a 605 tick bar. Why? We went short last night, actually this morning, about a little after 6 a.m., okay? Actually, this strategy was set to go off at 5:35 a.m., okay? Why didn't I get into a trade at 5:35? Because the market wasn't in the right conditions. All the conditions weren't met for the algo to get into the trade. So there I got in. You can see the first trade right here was a short. That was good. Green line to the target, okay? Second trade, red line to the stop. You can see we traded 3 contract, filled on 2 and then 1. Okay, so that's what all of these markers are. All right, so you can count them. 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 trades, 6 trades, 7 trades, 8 trades, 9 trades. Okay, must have missed one in there. I counted 10 earlier. It's easy to do. So between 9 and 10 trades, let's just call it that, okay? So this automatic trading is amazing. Let me tell you why it's amazing. Do you think I had opened up my eyes yet at this time this morning? No. I woke up about 6:30 this morning, okay? Already had a target under my belt. Sometimes I'll start trading at midnight Pacific time. Some 6:30, of course, Pacific time. It coincides with the opening of the American stock market. That's when I got up. Okay, already had a good trade under my belt. Closed P&L. And this is the result for today. So this is why I encourage traders, quit fooling around with your discretionary trade. All that is a little bit of explanation about this automatic trading with a data set. Once again, today, 6/26/26, you can see the dates and time down here. Automatic trading, the results speak for themselves.